Hey guys, Nolan here. MarineMax Rogers is going to take you on a quick walk around of this 2026 GS22 from Nautique. This one's white and blue tower. It's got the new racks for 2026. They're more of a horizontal with the strapless. And around the back here, you've got the Nautique surf system. Got the NCRS surf pipe, and this one also has the Nautique integrated steering assist with the thruster on the back here, and NSS on this side as well. Got the swim platform here, a couple of rear seats. We'll hop on board here. I'll show you some of the interior features. As we come on board here, one of my favorite features of Nautiques in general is you can walk. Got the walk-through space here, sea deck on this seat as well, and all the way into the floor. You can walk in and out of this boat without ever stepping on a cushion. Keeps your cushions lasting a lot longer. It's a great feature. This boat has finished storage areas as well. This one has supplemental ballast bags. Here, all fully finished storage, supplemental ballast there as well. Got the ZZ5 by PCM. We also have a ski pylon, so you can ski from a midpoint on this boat as well. You also have ski mode, so you can really flatten out the wake. The GS is a great boat for skiing, wakeboarding, surfing. It's got the ballast, it's got the surf system, but it also, you can turn all that stuff off, get rid of your ballast, and lay down a nice flat wake for skiing as well. So, JL audio sound system. You've got your JL speaker pods up here, board racks again. You got your bimini, folds out both ways. Up to the helm, you got the Link Pan-Array Link Pan-Array screen. It is touchscreen. You get your driver's control station here as well. Nice roomy bow in this boat. Speakers up there as well. You got mag charger. You have your surf. Your surf switch. You can control the surf from the board. Heater, the heater pipe down here as well. You got one up here. Big storage spaces, covers in here now, but you pull that forward, you can see the tons of room back here. You got the sub, you got the trash can with the side access there to put the garbage in and out of. You also have different ways to do rear-facing seating, so everyone can enjoy watching the water sports from this boat facing backwards, as well as this seat folds out too, so you can get everybody in the boat really being able to see what's going on, watch the action. Come out to MarineMax Rogers and check out this brand new GS22.